What is going on, guys? This video I'm going to be talking about installing this. Let me get the light on a little bit so you can see better. Installing this GTR push the start button and replacing the OEM one. More horsepower guaranteed. Just got this in the mail today, and let's get to it. Alright, so what you need to do is get a flathead or anything, and basically take one off right here. There's two clips across, one right here and one right here. Let's get to it. There we go. Just unclipped both sides, so it's gonna be two clips, one on this side, one on this side, kind of diagonal. And now the trickiest part is getting deattached right there, because it's like a little brown thing you gotta deattach. But let's get to it. Finally got unclipped from that piece and this piece, and what you need to do is take this plastic piece off. Basically just press these two tabs right here, and here's what they look like. Show you the GTR and the OEM button. Now let's put the plastic piece back on. Alright, now that we've done everything, now we just gotta clip it back in with this brown clip. Just attach to that, then should start. Hopefully, crossing fingers. And here's the OEM one. There we go, guys. Oh man, it looks so much better. Just got it installed and it does work. Yep. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully that video helped you guys, and yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.